I bought another case online from Dollar Tree. Let's see what's in it. This case does appear to be factory sealed. It looks like it's come straight from the Dollar Tree warehouse. The date code on here indicates that it was packed in 2025, late 2025, like November. And up here, it suggests it's the D case. So I think this is the 2026 D case, packed in late 2025. I don't actually know what the chases are in this. I should probably look it up. But being factory sealed, good chance that there's a treasure hunt. Less of a chance of a super treasure hunt, but a boy can dream, right? So let's get to it. Let's just open it and see what we get. 72 cars coming up. So this should be a 2026 D case. Should be factory sealed from what I can tell. Let's get it open. Alright, let's see what we got. Liberty Works Lamborghini Huracan. Heiko Type D in a Lucid Air. 2 supercharged dragsters and a Ferrari 385 GTB4 Competizione. I haven't seen that livery before. It's kind of cool. 67 Camaro, Mazda RX-7, and Hot Wheengs. I didn't actually realize that was wings. I really like this Camaro. It's a cool color. And with Hot Wheengs, we have a treasure hunt. Just a regular treasure hunt, but a treasure hunt nonetheless. So at least we got a treasure hunt in this one. We got Hodo Rodo, the 17 Audi RS6, and Donut Drifter. Bent card. Birthday Burner, Voltage Spike, and that's a pretty cool Cadillac ATS-V. Never seen that before. El Segundo Coupe, Volvo 240 Drift Wagon, and a Mercedes-Benz Unimog. Dark Knight Batmobile, Datsun 240Z, and a Ferrari F40 Competizione. That is the black F40. So, given that that's not the super treasure hunt, I guess I didn't get a super treasure hunt in this case, but, well, we'll keep going. We'll see what we got. 69 Chevelle, Coupe Clip, and a Feline Lucky. That Coupe Clips, I've never seen that version of Coupe Clip. I'm definitely going to use that on my keyring. That's cool. I have another Datsun 240Z, a VW ID Buzz Bomb, and a Cruise Bruiser. Porsche 911 Cabrio, that one's in white with a stripe. 67 Camaro, and Dark Knight Batmobile. Another Heiko Type D, 76 Chevy Chevette, and another Ferrari. I haven't seen that Ferrari before. That's the 12 cylindry? Oh, 12 cylindry. I assume that's a 12 cylinder. The Pulsar TRX, it's the yellow one. That's an interesting recolor. 69 Chevelle, and Decidedly Go. I like this Decidedly Go. I don't think I've bought this one yet. I've got one of these, but not in that colorway. New recolor that I don't think I've got. So it's in the second half. 85 Honda CRX, Twin Dorado, and a Lotus Cortina. Porsche Carrera, that's in like a bronzy livery. Bronze color, that's not seen that before. Another Mazda RX-7 and Acceleron. Another Ferrari 365, right? Another Lucid Air and another Polestar. Another Acceleron, another Donut Drifter, and a Renault E-Space F1. 2 Toyota Prius Customs, and another white 911 Cabrio. Another Drift Wag, another ID Buzz, and a McLaren W1. I don't think I've got that color of the W1 either. Another Ferrari 12 Cylindry, a Corvette Grand Sport, that's kind of cool, and an Austin Mini Cooper S. A Passing Gasser, a Rapid Pulse, and another Dark Knight Batmobile. Is that the third one? A Desert Drifter, Austin Mini Cooper S, and a Moto Roto. 2 64 Impalas, and a Nissan Skyline. Wait. I see something. What's going on there? What's going on there? Those have different wheels. What do we got? I was wrong. It wasn't the Ferrari in this one. This is my first Super Treasure Hunt. That is cool, and it's nice that I've got both of them, the regular and the Super Treasure Hunt. That's very cool. I've never gotten a Super Treasure Hunt before. Very happy to get my first one. La Libre decided to go and a 23 Nissan Z. And the last ones, we have another El Segundo Coupe, another Lotus Cortina, and Racing Bulls Formula 1 car. Put that with the rest of the F1 cars. Quick recap of what I think is cool from this case. This Honda CRX, I really like that. The Ferrari, always good to see a Ferrari. Got two of these, so that's cool. Really like the colour on this Camaro, gold coloured, or Camaro, as I should say. This Corvette Grand Sport, I'm a sucker for a Corvette. It's a interesting livery. They didn't put any numbers on it, which surprises me. This Cadillac ATS VR, I don't remember if I've ever seen one of these. I'm assuming this is a recolor, but I think I've got it in other colorways, but I don't remember it. Black Ferrari F40, and the reason it's cool is because technically they never made black F40s for regular sale. There was only a few different colours that weren't red of F40s made, mostly, as I understand, for the Salt and Bruno. So getting a black F40 is unusual in a sense, but there's lots of them in these cases. This new coupe clip with the Hot Wheels livery, that is definitely going on my keyring. I really like that. Another version of the Ferrari 365, different livery. Always fun to find a Ferrari. Got 3 in this case, 4 in this case actually. It's definitely cool finding a treasure hunt. That's really nice. So, got the Hot Wheengs Treasure Hunt there. By far the coolest is finding a Super Treasure Hunt. That's really nice. I was a little worried when I saw that black Ferrari that this case had the Ferrari Super Treasure Hunt, but it's the 64 Impala, and I really like this casting. So it's really nice that I managed to get a Super Treasure Hunt of this one. I had some doubters before about buying these cases from Dollar Tree online, but this proves to me that these are definitely sealed cases. Got both a Treasure Hunt and a Super Treasure Hunt in the one case. So it's the cheapest way to buy a case, but you never know what case you're going to get. So if I order another one right now, it's possible I may just get another D case. You can't select your case, but certainly if you leave it long enough between ordering off Dollar Tree, you might get lucky, get a fully sealed. You definitely will get a fully sealed case, in my opinion, if you buy it online and have it shipped directly to you. And you might be lucky to get enough to both get a Treasure Hunt and a Super Treasure Hunt like I did.